Hi YouTube. I am Uncle Huey, and I'm going to do a video for you guys today. So I was going to catch some rabbits with snares and show you guys how to do it, but unfortunately I forgot my wire, so I can't make any snares. Yeah, I am a master special super survivalist stuff, but I don't have the snare, but I can catch it another way, and I'll show you. I'm going to show you a technique called look out below. I learned this technique from my father, and he learned it from his father, and 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 his father, his father, his father, his father, and he learned it from a shaman. And the way that technique works is you climb up a big tree, and when you climb up the tree, you watch for all the rabbits. When the rabbits, you seize them, you pounce out of the tree, poof, on top of them. And when you get on top of them, I call it the crack and snap. And what I mean by crack and snap, you crack the back, grab the head, snap the neck. Make sense? Well, you want to kill them quick. So snap the back, crack the neck. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to climb the tree, we're going to watch for some rabbits, and then we're going to catch some. And no, it's not a breakfast cereal. So I'm going to climb up this tree here, and that's the one we're going to use as our lookout. Good? Alright, here we go. Alright, now I just gotta stay here for a little bit. I think I see one. He's coming from over there. 1 second. You got away, son of a nut. Yeah. You got away, son of a nut. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That one got away. So, I guess I don't get to have my rabbit pork chops today. So I'm gonna be eating SpaghettiOs again.